Hi everyone, this is Paige Martin with Paige Martin Books and Art. Thank you so much for logging on to pagelikemartin.com for this Color of Humanity doll tutorial.
So today I'm going to teach you all how to frame our doll pencils. We sell these beautiful doll pencils in our doll line. Kids love them, adults will purchase them and give them away as gifts. And I know that when you purchase a soft doll, I usually give them as a complimentary gift. So some of you all have purchased many soft dolls from me, so I know you probably have about 3 or 4 of these hanging around. So I'm going to show you today how you can frame them and actually use them as wall art. So you're going to need a few supplies. A frame. Bought this frame from Michaels at 50% off coupon. Your handcrafted doll pencils. A chalk, piece of chalk or crayon to mark where you're going to put on the background of your shadow box. Some kind of pointy tool. You can use a nail, anything that's pointy where you're going to put 2 holes. I'm going to show you how to use that later. Some super glue, decorative tape, and wire. I purchased this wire from Hobby Lobby in the jewelry section. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we have our pencils here, and I want them to be arranged in this order on our background, that way. So what I've already done, I've already taken a crayon and placed it exactly where I want them to be. So that's how I know how I want them to sit on the background. You can also use this tool here. Once your pencil is placed here, you can punch a hole. This is just a sculpture tool. You can punch a hole on each side because we can secure it even better with wire, which I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So what I'll do first, I'll just take our glue here and we'll put some glue right there and we'll press this firm, and then I'll do the same thing on this side. Press it firm right here, make sure that they're lined up at the bottom, and then we'll do it right here, and then we'll put this one right in the middle. Okay, and we'll just sit and let them press for about 5 minutes, and they should be firm thereafter. So once our pencils are secured by the super glue, I'm going to show you, I've already done these 2 here. I'm going to show you how I did this on the back. Once you punch your 2 holes through, you can push your wire through one end, come around your pencil, push it through the other end, and once both of them are out, you just twist the wire like this to secure it, and then we just add a little bit of decorative tape so that it does not scratch the back of your beautifully painted walls. We have these beautiful pencils.
Like that?
I do. And once we're all done, we have these beautiful ball pencils that you can hang directly on your wall and use as wall art. So thank you guys for tuning in, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram at P Martin Books and Art, on Facebook at Paige Martin Books and Art, and on YouTube at